ESMT Berlin has a diverse international faculty who regularly publish in top academic journals. Their research has a practical impact, and faculty members bring these insights into the classroom. Sharing knowledge with a wider public is also very important to ESMT, and the school often showcases speakers who are recognized leaders in their fields. Be it an exclusive master class for degree students, or open lectures which target a more general audience, or at the school's premier event, the ESMT Annual Forum.
We talked about employee disengagement and active disengagement. And so let's say I'm one of these actively disengaged employees. And I've listened to this talk. I'm very inspired by the concept of what you're saying. I'm a middle manager. What is it that I go back and do? I mean, how do I start transforming my professional life?
Well, I think there are lots of ways to do that. I think there are two that would come to mind. One is I think you have to figure out what your own purpose is. It might be that you're working in a place that can't offer you that inspiration every day. So you have to look inside and say, well, you know, what am I trying to accomplish? What do I stand for? And a lot of folks don't do that. They simply take what's given and they respond to it. The second thing, though, is to go back and say, can I help this company? Let's suppose it's not a high-purpose company. Can I help this company rediscover its purpose? It had one, you know, because they all do it, with very few exceptions, right? Can I help this company rediscover its purpose? That's what people want. Mm-hmm. You know, I think one of the most amazing stories, and I know you've been involved in it, is the story of Unilever, a big company with, 400 brands or some phenomenal number, who's rediscovered its purpose. I mean, that's going to end up being one of the best stories of the 21st century in business, how they did that. Mm-hmm. But it's not a thing that's easy. You know, it's not the sort of thing where they're going to get everything right. And that's the problem. See, if you're in the old story, kind of business sucks. And so if you have somebody who stands for something other than that, then you have to make them a saint. And the minute the saint makes a mistake, they were sinners. You know, and so the old story has us categorize businesses into saints and sinners. Oscar Wilde put it best when he said, every saint's got a past, every sinner's got a future.